So let's talk about our putt like a pendulum drill. So what I have here is I have 3 tees set up. I have one approximately 10 inches back and one approximately 8 inches through. Those distances don't have to be exact. And today I might do like a 10-inch backswing and an 8-inch follow through. Well, the next day I might do an 8-inch backswing and a 6-inch follow through. I just want my follow through to be slightly less. And the way the drill works is, can I hit 3 putts in a row with the same length stroke in which every ball goes exactly the same distance? Now for me, those 2 balls right there were about 1 inch short of each other. That's not bad. Ideally, I'd like to see all 3 balls almost touching. If I do that, then I know that my acceleration profile, or me letting gravity do its job, is working. If I have a large spread of those 3 balls, then I'm not letting gravity do its job. I'm getting too involved. So I love this drill. Again, predetermined length backswing and follow through, and can you hit every putt the same length?